The following PowerPoint presentation will show to all of you a brief description of the group project composed by the student Terry Camp, Hector Rocha, Max Gotteslow, and Renee Hookham. By jumping on the webpage adn113-2012-groupproject.wikispaces.com/HTMR group, you can get access to our learning resource, which is about volcanoes. Homepage. On homepage, we will see information relating to the topic of volcanoes. This information is linked to the areas of science, geography, technology, art, and it is focused on students of year 4th and 5th grade in primary school. By giving to the students a knowledge about how the physical environment on Earth and its position in the universe impact on the way we live, the students are learning important and necessary information. As a teachers, it's our responsibility to provide this knowledge. This project is aimed to show the geography behind volcanoes and what caused them to erupt. The students are required to learn about the formation of the tectonic plates that cause this to happen. Students will seek information about volcanoes and test chemical reaction of different substances. Create and video the making of a paper model volcano before making it erupt and uploading footage to YouTube. Task. For the realization of this project, a student will be asked to create a paper model volcano that resembles its real-world counterpart. Leading up to these creative and interactive activities, there will be 3 lessons. Teaching students about the geography behind volcano formation, the science behind the chemical reactions we will use to erupt our model volcanoes, and one introducing and explaining the cameras and YouTube that will be used to film and upload videos of the volcano making process. At the end of the process, a student will erupt their volcanoes and then upload videos made throughout the process to the class. To carry out this project, it is necessary for the students to do basic research into the formation and location of volcanoes around the world, as well as the products they produce and erupt with. It is necessary for all students to have a written record of all information collected during the 6 lessons cross-curricular task about volcanoes. The result product of the task will be reflected in the model volcano. The model volcano will be presented or erupted in front of the class at the end of the task. The teacher will give an introduction in each lesson to inform on the theme and task being undertaken during the lessons. At the end of the entire task, which means all lessons, a student will be required to submit a report or evaluation on the progress they felt they had in terms of learning, their enjoyment of the task, and how they felt they did when asked to work in a group with others. Resources. In resources is contained all the information relating to the volcanoes. Students will have access to this information right through internet pages, movies, PDF documents, and social networking. All these technological resources used in this project are characterized when making use of a technical language, easy to understand, which ensures that the student become familiar with this information provided. The importance of the use of these technological resources is not just about that the students will have a knowledge about volcanoes, but it is about using the internet as a researching tool. Teacher information. Being a teacher enables us to offer a learning and assessment program that allows for all students to enjoy and gain information for the highest chance for success in their learning. Authentic learning is the process by which a student learns through practice and exposure to practical and real tasks. By integrating authentic tasks into the traditional classrooms where rote learning is the norm, we can hope to further engage students with their work by giving them practical tasks that may be useful for their futures as well as their learning experience. To achieve a complete understanding of volcanoes by the students, this project is divided into 6 lesson plans. These are: Lesson Plan 1, the geography of volcanoes. Lesson 2, the science of chemical reactions. Lesson 3, cameras and YouTube. Lesson 4, the art of volcanoes. Lesson 5, erupting volcanoes. And Lesson 6, uploading to YouTube. Once a student has finished all these lessons mentioned before, they will be trained for the accomplishment of this project.